Android mobile. Any Android phone. This phone is Walton Pimo RX6 Max. R6 Max. All Android device. My launcher keep stopping. Problem. Apps closing. Launcher keeps stopping. Problem. Any Android phone, any Android device, all Android mobile. Problem this. Just very easy solution. Close app first. Again. First, power of this device. Same system. Storage clean. Back. First, power of the device, then volume up and power key with press. Then release power key. Press just volume up button. Okay, Pimo RX Mix R6 Max. Volume down and press factory reset. Selected web data factory reset. Then power key. Press. Then yes. Volume down. Then power key press. Web data format. Mobile device or factory reset. All Android phone, smartphone, same method, same rules. Hang logo this solution. Reboot system. Then wait. My device charging low, so all Android phone. Example: Tecno, Infinix, Itel, Symphony, Vivo, Oppo, Walton. Launcher problem. Solution this method. Launcher problem: hang logo, Walton hang logo, Tecno hang logo, Infinix hang logo, Oppo hang logo, Vivo hang logo, Symphony hang logo, all Android smartphone hang logo problem solution this method. Very easy. And pattern, password, fingerprint, Gmail, email, forget it, same method. Work very easy, just hard reset. First power off, then volume up and power key press. After recovery mode, then selected factory reset, then web data, then OK, then reboot system. Okay, very easy. Okay. No any launcher has stupid. So okay, this mobile.